Packing up the Smart Woodshop. I cannot remember the last time I did this. I have been working out of this space for pretty close to a year and a half. I may have packed it up, but just don't recall. I do know that I had a lot of tools out. I think this was a record. Done so many projects around the Florida fixer. I just had the benches full of tools. So getting it packed up was very enjoyable. I do like getting it all reorganized and put away. Now this packing was a little different in that some tools have gone away. I'm down to one table saw and one miter saw. I got rid of quite a few tools, slimming down. I have more to go. I'm going to get rid of a lot of materials and supplies. Some of that stuff I've had for over a decade and haven't used it. Time to move it along to Habitat for Humanity so it will go to good use. Good stuff. I just don't need to be hauling it around. As I pack up the benches, you'll notice that it really is a system that works together. As tight as my space is, I am able to have a big shop that's very small. Both benches fit inside of one of the smart carts. And then inside of that, the sawhorses, the router tables, the crosscut jig, all the accessories, even the vacuum hoses that I need and the electrical cords and those things, everything fits inside, and then the other cart goes on top, creates this nice little cube on wheels. Mahalo for hanging out in the Smart Woodshop.